The topic of today's sermon is, you cannot be established by wickedness. Humans cannot be established by wickedness, but only the uncompromising people will be established. No one can be made secure by wickedness, but the root of the righteous is immovable. You need to realize that sin cannot offer security, but if you live right, you will be as secure as a tree with deep roots. No person can be strengthened by wickedness forever, though it can be done temporarily. Why? Because evil people are never safe, but good people remain safe and secure. It must be noted that doing evil brings no safety at all. So you must be a good person to have safety and security. Wickedness never brings real success. Only the godly have it. This is according to the book of Proverbs, chapter 12, verse 3. And now read, a man is not established by wickedness, but the root of the righteous cannot be moved. Inasmuch as wickedness never brings stability, why not live a godly life and become immovable? Do not forget that if you live a life rooted in God, you will be established and stand firm forever. May the Lord bless his words.